Hey guys, today I'll be making spicy fish curry, so let's get started. So what I'll be using today is 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, some dried whole red chili, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, some salt to taste, 1 onion slice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I'll also be using basa fish, and I've cut the fillets in half. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add some oil into my pan. And then I'm going to fry the onions till they are golden brown. Then I'm going to add the dried whole chilies. And now I'm going to add all the spices. And then fry it for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add some water and let it fry some more. And now I'm going to add some more water and the lemon juice. Then I'm going to place the fish gently in the pot and add some more water. Then I'm going to cover it and let it come to a boil. And now I'm going to mix it. Make sure to mix it very gently. Then I'm going to cover on medium to low heat and let the fish cook fully. And there you have it, spicy fish curry. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.